Welcome children, it's your practical period. So today we will discuss the problem of Tower of Hanoi. Some students are having problem in this program. So today we will execute the program of Tower of Hanoi. Okay. First of all, create new class. I'm given the class name is Tower. Okay. After creating class, open your folder and select this program and delete it. Now start your program. First of all, we import the package. Import java dot, I'm using util package for scanner class, util dot asterisk semicolon. After this, start class. Class name is given tower. After creating class, create method. Method, it's a public void shift. In this method, we are passing parameters. First parameter is int type, int n. Int n is the number of disk. Okay. Next is the in Tower of Hanoi here is 3 poles. So we write next data type string type for poles. String for first pole, string f for first, then string for middle, comma, third one is for last, string l for last. Okay. After creating this method, we put the condition. What is the condition? Condition, if your n value means number of node is equals to 1. If n equals to 1, then it will print system dot out dot print ln messages disk moved from then we are using tab first to last plus f, then plus take a space plus l. Your disk move from first to last if your n value is 1. Close here. If your n value not equals to 1, then it comes to else part. Else, here we call the function shift function, n value is n minus 1, then first last middle means f l m, for first last middle, then printing statement, we copy a printing statement from the here we print same statement first to last, move to first to last. Okay. After this, again we call shift function shift n minus 1 comma middle first last, middle first last. Okay. After this we close the else part and close the function. Okay. After closing this function, we are going to create main method. Public static void main. After creating main method, start the block of main method, creating the object of our class tower ob is equals to new tower. New tower. After this, creating the scanner class to take the input of disk. Or before scanner class, you write the print statement. System dot out dot print ln. Enter number of disk. Sorry. Enter number of disk. Number of disk. Okay. Now create a scanner object. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. After creating the object of a scanner class, take input from the user. Int no is equals to sc dot next int. Okay. After this, call the method ob dot shift. Within shift method, 4 parameters we will pass here. First of all, first parameter is no. No means number of disk. Then second, third and fourth is a string type. So we write capital A for A pole, capital B for B pole, and capital C for C pole. 3 poles A, B and C. You write any variable here as a pole. After this, close the method and close the class. Now click on compile. Here is an error. After creating object, semicolon is missing. Write here semicolon. Now click on compile button. No syntax error. Click it. Close this window and open terminal window. Right click here. Click on void main. Here number of disk. Number of disk is suppose 3. So move is 9 moves will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 7 moves here. In 7 moves we moved all the disk of the A pole to the C pole. Okay. So it's your program of Tower of Hanoi.